Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Dior Fian with MTM 244123030. I am from accounting class. So here I want to discuss the material is definition of audit identification on audit working paper, evidence and about procedure. Audit working paper or KKA are documents prepared and used by auditor during the audit process to record all audit procedure performance, evidence of time, and conclusion reached. Okay, this working paper serves as the primarily foundation for auditor in performing the audit opinion as every audit activity must be properly documented in a structured and traceable manner. In practice, audit working papers are not merely a record of the work performance, but also tools to ensure that the audit has been conducted in accordance with applicable professional standards. Therefore, the quality of audit working paper related the quality of the audit work as very audit step must be clearly explained and justified through the documentation. Next slide. Objective and function of audit working paper. The main object of audit working paper is to provide evidence that the audit has been properly planned and executed in the accordance with auditing standard. In addition, they function as the tool for supervision and review, allowing senior auditor or partner to evaluate the work performance without repeating the entries audit process. Audit working paper also serves as documentation that can be used in the future, whatever for subsequent auditor as the reference in case of dispute of regulatory inspection. Through test document, auditor can demonstrate the their opinions are based of sufficient and appropriate evidence, thereby enhancing the credibility of the audit result. Next slide. Content as and structure of audit working paper. Audit working paper generally contain information related to client identity, audit objective, procedure performance, result of testing, and audit conclusion for each account or are examined. The structure is typically organized systematically, starting for audit planning, continuing with execution, and ending with completion. In each section, auditor must provide clear document of the steps taken and the support evidence of time. Working papers are often supported by cross-reference to facilitate navigation between documents. A well-organization and structured presentation is essential to ensure that the information can be easily understood by a reviewer of inspector. Next slide. Characteristic of good audit working paper. Good audit working paper should be complete, clear, systematic, and understandable to other auditors who were not directly involved in the audit process. They must contain sufficient and relevant evidence to support the conclusion reached. Clarity in presenting information is crucial to avoid misimpression. Additionally, working papers should be prepared in a timely manner during the audit process rather than after it's complete to ensure a quality and completeness. Confidentiality is also a critical aspect, as working paper often include sensitive client and information that must properly safeguarded by auditor. Next slide. The role of audit working paper in audit quality. The role of audit working paper in the audit process can be compared to the footstep of an explorer on a long journey. Okay, without test footprints, other who not know the path taken. The challenge ensure or how the final destination was reached. Similarly, in auditing, without complaint and clear working paper, there is no evidence showing how the auditor arrived at their conclusion and opinion. Audit working paper provide tangible proof that every step has been carried out systematically and professionally. Therefore, the better the quality of the working paper, the higher the level of trusting and audit result. Next slide. Types of audit working paper. Audit working paper can be classified into several types based on the their function in the audit process, namely permanent files and current files. Permanent files contain long-term information that does not change frequently, such as organization structure, accounting policies, and important legal documents, allowing them to bear relevance in future audits. In content, current file contain information directly related to a specific audit period, such as transaction testing results, account analysis, and audit evidence obtained during the engagement. This distinction show the audit working paper are not only temporary document but also serves as a continuous achieve to support efficiency and consistency each future audit. And thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.